everyone, I hope you all are doing fine. My name is Shrishti and today we will talk about sounds. Sounds that become different for vowels and consonants respectively. For clarification, I want to mention that A, E, I, O and U, these are the 5 vowels, and the letters that exclude these A, E, I, O, U are the consonants. So, we will talk about the sounds respectively. I will try to give you some phenomenal examples and I'm sure this will be really helpful for you. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to this channel. Starting with letter C. In English, there is no such sound as k. It is k. I'll repeat k. K. Let me give you some examples. Cup, crow, cow, cut, care, caring. If you notice, I was saying like k, k, and it was not cup or cut or crow. I am not putting an emphasis on the k sound. I am putting the emphasis on the k sound. But remember that the rule will change when C will be coming with the letter H. Chocolate, chip, choco, chirp, chips. So here you have to focus that which letter is accompanied by the other letter, which may be a vowel or a consonant, and accordingly the sound will change. This will not happen in one day. You need to practice religiously so that one day you are sounding like a native speaker. Similar to this, we have letter P. It's not P, it is P. P. It has to be, the emphasis has to be on H and not P. The sound P is incorrect, it has to be H. Let me give you some examples. Plate, party, put, power, practice, pleasure. Everywhere I am putting an emphasis on H. It's very soft and it's not P. Party, incorrect. Plate, incorrect. Cup, absolutely incorrect. This has to be cup. You remember the previous example that I gave with the C sound? Cup. Cup. Moving on to letter T. The sound is not T or T. The sound has to be T. T. Some examples are table, top, turnip, tulip, tarnish, tower. So everywhere I was speaking with the T sound, and it's not top, table, tarnish, turnip. These are incorrect. You might feel there is a slight difference in this. However, the pronunciation has to be absolutely correct as per the rules, because in every language the rules are different. For Hindi it is different, for English it is different, maybe for Spanish or German it is something else. So as per the English rules, we need to follow these guidelines so that we sound like native speakers. Initially, you will feel that while you are sounding like this or while you are pronouncing the words differently than others, they are making fun of you. Please don't feel affected. Please don't feel bad about this. They don't know that is why they are making fun of you. But you don't need to feel bad about it. Instead, you should keep on practicing, because our intention is to help you learn the correct pronunciation and sound. The letter H is not pronounced as H. This has to be H. H. Remember, the sound is not A, it is A. H. Let me give you names of some companies. HDFC Bank, HSBC Bank, HCL, HP. It's nowhere as HDFC Bank or HP Laptop. It's HP, HDFC Bank. You might feel it so funny, so weird, but this is absolutely correct. Even the letter K is not sounded as K. This has to be K, K, kite, kill, kit, killer, king, kitten. You can practice more words like these until and unless you become a pro. Some of the words have silent letters between them, and I will give you some commonly used words like these. Honest, R. Nowhere I am pronouncing it as honest or hour. H has to be silent, so the sound will be like this, honest, R. Did you ever know that sandwich is also incorrect? D letter has to be silent. Sandwich, sandwich. I'm sure you enjoy eating this, but from today, learn its correct pronunciation too. Next words are no, K-N-O-W, no. K-N-I-F-E, knife. K has to be silent here. Would, should, could, calf, half. Remember, L has to be silent here. I cannot say calf, half, would, could. It's absolutely changing the meaning of the word. Be careful. When working on your accent, we sometimes call it as accent. It's absolutely incorrect. The correct word is accent. A-C-C-E-N-T, accent. Similar to this, you need to find more words and you can share with us in the comments box. We would love to hear this from you. Sometimes we also miss on calling out the names of the days or the months correctly. Did you hear like this? January, April, October, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm so sorry, I am not here to make fun of anybody or I did not intend to hurt anybody. I just want you to get alert that we are actually pronouncing these incorrect. So the correct pronunciation of the days of the week are as follows: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Starting with the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. One interesting letter is R. I don't know why some people roll their tongue with this letter R. They pronounce the words as killer, scooter, topper, paper. I don't know why are they putting this stress on R sound. This is absolutely not required. The correct pronunciation would be paper, topper, roller, coaster, eraser, marker. Did you notice whenever the letter R is coming in the end or maybe somewhere in the mid of the word, the sound has to be very soft. But do remember, when the word starts from R, we can put a little emphasis on the sound. Something like this: rubber, roller, road, request, rest, ramp. I am nowhere pronouncing the letter R as R. The R sound has to be taken care of. Sometimes we also juggle with vowel sounds. A and E are slightly confusing for some of us. PAN is pan. It is a cooking utensil. PEN is a pen. It is used for writing. So if I change the sound, the meaning will also change. Words with letter A will be like this: pan, man, mango, van, tan, span. The letter A with the jaw opening up, man. And the words with E letter will be like this: pen, memory, rest, request, ten, scent, spell. Everywhere the sound has to be little soft. So be very careful guys whenever you are working on your sounds and pronunciation. Practice and you shall receive the desired goals. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and good day.